great podcast episode this morning, guys. Pretty insane with someone from Dubai about psychology. I love when trading comes and combine itself to psychology. Always really awesome. Whenever I have some time, I like to kind of meet other traders, whether it's kind of beginning traders or traders who are more experienced, to just talk about trading. And I know I can help sometimes, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to meet two guys not far from here. Let's check it out. Meeting up with the two traders I was meeting this afternoon. Two great people. One of them wanting to trade and travel, which is really fun. Probably the thing I love the most. There's been something on my mind for the past couple of days about beliefs. We all know that beliefs are a big part of success in trading. If you believe that you're not going to be right, or that you are not good enough to trade, well, guess what's going to happen? Right? You're not going to be good enough. However, there's a couple of beliefs that I think traders really need to drop whenever they want to be successful. If you want to keep trading and make mistakes and be bad at trading, you can keep the belief. But if you want to change, that's where you have to kind of drop the beliefs. So I thought I would share with you guys the 3 beliefs that you must drop or you must destroy if you want to be successful in trading. And the first one is the belief that everything has to be perfect. This held me back for so long, believing that I had to be perfect, I had to find the perfect strategy, the perfect thing to make a lot of money. That's never going to work. You're going to waste a lot of time trying to be perfect, and in the end you're never going to be perfect anyway. So why would you spend time on this? You much rather have something average and be consistent with it than trying to make everything perfect and not being able to deliver on that. Right? That's just a fact. And similar to this, there's this kind of people who try to get all the information possible before making a move. I think most often than not, we know exactly what we need to work on. We just don't want to do it. You probably know, and you've probably heard a couple of times, you had to do some backtesting, but you maybe not want to do it, and that's where you have to push yourself a little bit. So if you believe that there's some information you didn't have and that you need to find, you're going to be searching information for a very long time. Lastly, a belief that can be very bad in trading is believing that you are struggling, right? What the fuck is that word, struggling? What does that mean? Does that mean you're bad? Does that mean you're not good enough to be able to be successful? No. Trading is all about a couple of steps that you have to follow. If you're not at the point where you are making money trading and making a living from it, you're not struggling. You're just going through the steps. But if you see yourself as struggling, as unsuccessful, as bad, guess what's going to happen? You're going to be stuck in a cycle unless you make the change. And that's the change I had to make myself a couple of years ago, where I saw myself as not making money, as like a bad trader, as struggling. But then when I shifted that to trying to go through the steps, I knew that I had something to work on, and that I was not just struggling, but going through the process of becoming a successful trader. And that's something you have to change right now if you want to be successful. Try to identify the things you do well right now, because there are a lot of things you do well. And try to work on those small things that you don't do that much well. You need to change your way of thinking about it. That being said, I'll conclude the video here for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this small discussion about belief. Really important topic. But I would love to hear your thoughts as always. Comment below and let me know what you think. Look forward to chat with you guys and help you out in any way I can. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There's one every single day. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.